Today we're gonna bring an omelet Japanese pan. Now these are awesome if you guys want to cook any kind of omelet or anything pretty much that you don't want it to stick to the actual pan. This is a perfect way to do it. So let me talk a little bit more about it. First, when you buy one, they have multiple colors, but they have individual. They come with these three items. So you get the actual little brush. This is to brush out any kind of oil into the pan to move it around. And then you get a silicone spatula. This is perfect to roll anything and it fits perfectly in the pan. It's made to fit perfectly in the pan and roll anything out of here. Now they have various colors. As you can see, this is more like a rock color. And of course, this is non-stick. It won't stick into it unless you properly use it. So we're going to do a little demonstration how to use this. These are perfect handles and they're made of wood, easy to grab. So in case this gets a little hot, and they're perfect for electrical stoves. So these work really good with it. And if you guys can notice, they have the heating source right here. This is all easy to wash.
Let me just go restroom.